Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove Capcut watermark logo. So now, if you know that when you edit your projects or use a Capcut templates, here there will be a watermark attached on your videos saying Capcut or with Capcut logo at the top or at the bottom of your videos. And how or what if you want to remove that Capcut watermark? So here I'm going to show you through this video, so watch this until the end. Okay, so you can just first open your projects. For example, here I'm using a template, a Capcut template, and you'll see there's this watermark attached at the top, and when you export it, the watermarks will be on the video. So actually I've already export it, so let's see the original in here, the one that I've already export. Okay, this one's right here. You'll see there's this Capcut watermark attached. So let's just use another app to remove that Capcut logo. So here I'm going to use this Wing app. Okay, so you can just click on this new button and then open the Capcut videos that you've just exported. In this case, this one's right here. Sorry, let's just and now click on start. Okay, so to remove the Capcut logo at the top, what you need to do is just click on a clip and enlarge it. You can zoom in the clip just like this until the Capcut logo is no longer seen on the screen. You can click on a check icon. This is the final result. You can see that the watermark will be gone. Now you can just click on save, and that's it. So that's all for me. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, especially if you are on the Capcut free and you only want to use Capcut to edit your videos. You can use this trick to remove that Capcut logo. So that's all from me. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon. But if you have any question, you can leave a comment down below, and don't forget to click on the thanks button and subscribe to our channel to keep supporting us. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.